Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate VAUXHALL Corsa. This is the 1 litre limited edition 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front side of the vehicle, as you can see it does have the front parking sensors. Front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, so as you can see yourself, there is no dents, no chips, no scratches, so everything as it should be. Alloys are also nice and clean. It does have the black alloys, as you can see there, no marks, very nice. One owner from new with full VAUXHALL service history. Rushmores have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will also be done at point of sale. Rear parking sensors, and as you see there, the back bumper once again nice and clean. The car is offered in excellent condition and won't disappoint on viewing. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the car. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. You can give us a call, or once you come down here, we'll give you more options. So you've seen the excellent condition of the outside. Let's have a look in the inside as well. So electric front windows. As you can see there, that's a very nice gloss finish with the black and the red as well. Screen there. Steering wheel, nice and clean. As you can see, it looks very fresh. It does have a nice feel. It is a leather steering wheel. Seats, once again, very nice and comfortable. Also nice and clean. As you can see there, it does have the red stitching to match the red on the dash, and as you can see, very nice and clean. The car's been fully validated by us. Back seats, once again, very nice and clean. As you see yourself, there is no marks, no tears, nothing untowards. Obviously it does have the ISOFIX as well, so very nice safety point for the children. And then also on the door, there is no marks. Does also have the black roof matching the alloys. Very nice boot space, as you see. There you go, once more, as you can see, the back seats nice and clean, so the car's been fully validated by us. As I mentioned earlier, the car is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. And as you see, they're offered in excellent condition. Okay, so driver's side door, you do have the front electric windows, as well as the mirrors. The mirrors are electrical adjustment. There is the for the lights. So at the moment they are off, and then that's your main lights on. Multifunctional steering wheel, and as you can see, it is nice. Does have a very nice grip to it as well. It's nice, comfortable, and then it is a multifunctional as well, as I mentioned. On the screen here, you do have the audio. So let's go on audio and go on sources. So you have the DAB, AM, FM radio, USB, and also Bluetooth. So you can connect your phone with a Bluetooth and listen to music through Spotify, YouTube, you name it, definitely can be done. Phone, let's go onto the phone there. Obviously we have to connect the phone, so if you press search device, you'll start searching for phones that can be connected. Aircon. That button here is for the parking sensors, so if you are reversing, then the parking sensors will activate and will let you know how close you are to the car, or be it a fence or whatever it is behind you. It will let you know how close you are. Stitching on the gear knob, as you see just there, and then once more, as you see on the dash, nice and clean. As I mentioned earlier, it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Just a recap before we finish off the video. One owner from new with full main dealer service history. Rushmores have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car, and you have the option to extend your warranty. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. We'll be more than happy to assist you, so just give us a call and then we can answer your questions. Okay, thanks for watching.